Merry Christmas everyone! Maraming salamat sa mga to celebrate 500 years. The Destination Boys are waiting around there. Ayan, siguro dito ay palibot-libot ng lugar na nahanap yung perfect home. So, sana nahanap niya ngayon sa Japan, sana nahanap niya ngayon kay Lindin. So, sana pala niya yung laptop, yung love song, movie of the day.
Saglit lang to.
How do you feel about the love tonight sa premiere nyo? What are you feeling before everyone gets to see it? Yeah, before everyone will see it. No way! First time nyo rin.
Ako. For sure, hindi ko sa pagsisisiyan, mag-enjoy ko sa pelikula na to. Panigurado na nila kayo dito.
Nag-iulang yung braso namin, kuya.
Always excited. Kinakabahan. Maganda yung pelikula. Grabe naman din yung sa akin.
Oh! Ano yung pinaka-ma-enjoy at na-experience ng audience when they watch the film?
All I love is Christmas.
Nahulog, nahulog.
Excited na rin dito ang mga GBT. Grabe ang suporta. Ayan, let's gather here sa ating mga fans. Okay, so mga ticket holders, pwede na kayo pumasok sa Cinema 7. That's good news. Nakakasecure na kayo ng mga seats ninyo. Sa mga ticket holders natin, you can go inside Cinema 7. And for the others, we are inviting you to gather here because later on we'll have a quick photo op before we go inside the cinema.
Yeah, go ahead, Carl.
Okay. And thank you also to all the guests and the TCP here tonight. Maraming salamat po. So, friends for the media,
What's the best part about working with each other? Because this is your second, tama ba? Third project? Parang,
of course,
what's the best part about working with each other?
Okay, in a while, akin na rin po dito si Julia and Carlo. So be careful, everybody. Let's give them a space to walk onto. Again, to all the ticket holders, pwede na po tayong pumasok sa Cinema 7. Once again, sa lahat po ng mga tickets na, sa lahat ng mga tickets na, pwede na tayo sa loob ng Cinema 7. Of course, thank you again, SM Cinema and EDSA. Maraming salamat po. SM Cinemas, thank you very much.
Bukod sa Oldly Close, anong iba niyo pang papanoorin? Si Juliana na tanong namin. Ikaw, ano papanoorin mo, Carlo?
Sorry?
Anong iba pang entries na papanoorin mo sa MMFF at sa suportahan?
Iba pang susuportan siya. Suportahan ko. Papanoorin ko talaga lahat.
Wow! Gano'ng kahalaga? Kasi lahat ng iba excited din sa pelikula nyo. Gano'ng kahalaga na lahat kayo nagsusuportahan? Lalo na ngayong in this day and age sa pelikulang Pilipino.
Sobra.
Of course, I sit in that. Thank you for joining us.
Struggling pa rin ang industry natin.
And don't forget, everybody, if you already have purpose and videos for events tonight, please post it on social.
Thank you so much,
All the
guys.
artists, the stars, and of course, use our official hashtag, #HopeRequest. You can have now Julia and Carlo is coming up here on stage. You won't stand just hello, hi.
Hi again, and thank you. Merry Christmas. For December 25, alam niyo na naman yun kasi yun ang palabas ng film fair. So, sana po supportan niyo.
Ayun, good evening ulit sa inyong lahat. Thank you for joining us. Let us know what you think about the movie after the show. But everyone will really appreciate the reviews and the feedback. And please do help us spread the word about the film and of course, support all the other films. Alongside the movers. Yun na.
Let's start for sinong nahulog? Sino yung nahulog? Grabe rin na nakalimutan. Let me grab the microphone, Julia, para makapag-photo kayo together. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's start for a photo. This time, with you guys. Wala ka photo with you guys. So dito muna yung ating stars and cast and director. Cast our stars and director to join us here. Okay, Jairus, Miko, would you like to start? Greeting everyone here inside.
Ayan, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Siyempre, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta sa aming premiere night, sa pagsuporta siyempre sa amin. And sana magustuhan niyo po yung movie. And please, spread our movie, Hold Me Close. This is coming December 25 na po yan.
And then, sabi lang ni Kuya Jairus lahat. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na sana mag-enjoy kayo sa film na to. And for sure, hindi kayo magsisisi once na mapanood nito.
And good evening, Merry Christmas sa mga kaibigan, sa mga press, sa mga family na nandito po. Maraming salamat dahil binigyan nyo kami ng oras. At sana palaganap nyo po yung ganda ng pelikula namin na ginawa ni Jason Paul. Thank you.
Hi everyone, good evening. We're just so excited for tonight and to be able to share what we really worked hard for back in April. Again, so many thanks, Derek Jason, for coming up with another beautiful story for Kaloy and I to do again. We really hope na magustuhan niyo siya, and if you do, reviews are really much appreciated. So enjoy, guys. We'll chat later after the film.
Julia, I love you!
Yun.
Di ba, G, pwede na?
Pwede na.
Pwede ng singer. Sa'yo na nga yun.
Hindi nagmatalo si Jai. Si Direk, baka hindi magtatalo. Direk, try mo. Ay, mas mataas.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo dito sa aming red carpet premiere na. Hold me close. May kinakwento lang siya sa akin.
Carlo, ikwento mo sa aming lahat, Carlo.
Ayun, para sa hindi mga nakakaalam, second time namin magkatrabaho ang tatlo. Yung una namin, of course, yung Expensive Candy. So, it's an honor and pleasure na makatrabaho sila ulit and sana makatrabaho pa sila na paulit-ulit.
Ng maraming beses.
Ayun.
Ang sweet naman ng team na to. Grabe. Sulat ka na daw, Direk. O ngayon, bago magsulat si Direk, baka biglang mapasulat siya ngayon. Mag-picture muna tayo. Kayo muna ang 5. Ayan. We'd like to request you guys to please join us in shouting, "Hold me close, now showing." Okay, everybody? We'd like to request your loud voices to come out. Come on. Hold me close, now showing. In 3, 2, 1. Hold me close, now showing. Thank you very much, everybody. That was so sweet of you. Maraming salamat po. And now it's time to take your seats. Find your respective seats where you want to sit. And so, Director, you can already go up. And again, thank you so much for being here with us. Maraming salamat po, everyone, for supporting